Hey, I'm Delaney with 3HAC, and we're installing a Ruud air handler and a Ruud condenser outside. What we like best about this equipment is the X13 motor. We like the all aluminum coils and the ease of being able to operate and work on this equipment. It's very sturdy and robust equipment, stands up to the high demands we require. I've had very few problems out of these pieces of equipment. Here we are with the outdoor unit. What we like about these is the ease it is to get into them to operate. You take this panel off here, this whole piece comes out, and you can get inside to operate on them. These units are very robust. They stand up very well to the outdoor conditions we have here in Florida. They provide excellent heating and cooling capabilities. Tropic has been outstanding with providing products and materials for us as we need them. Today we were short this pad, and they brought it out here to us within 20 minutes of the phone call we made. So between Ruud and Tropic, we have a winning combination to be able to provide our customers with a quality product at a very competitive price. Thank you.